Good morning. I'm Manisha, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, RMDEC Engineering College. I'm going to speak about under the topic of UI UX design, Unit 4, Designing Web Interface. So, designing web interface, understanding the users and goals, identifying the target users for the website, understand the needs, preference, and pain points, define the goal, research and analysis, information architecture, wireframing, visual design, prototyping, testing and iteration, development handoff, launch and post-launch activities, continuous improvements. So under all these, it is going to be done. So what is drag and drop? How it is used in a common interaction pattern to move the elements with the digital interface. This interaction is intuitive and identify use case, design visual cues, designing dragging behavior, set drop targets. So according to that, accessibility, and it is testing and iteration, performance optimization, documentation and handoff. So direct selection in UI UX, which refers to ability to a user for the individual elements or objects within a digital interface. It allows the elements without needing. So clickable elements are there, draggable elements are there, resizable elements, test selection, object selections, live preview, gesture and touch interface, accessibility. So coming to the contextual tools, according to the appearance, how the design is developed. So dynamic presentation, relevance, space efficiency, task-oriented, the examples are there. Diffusive overlays, it's the temporary graphical elements that appear at the top of the main content or interface to provide additional information, options, or interactions. Overlays are commonly used to present model dialogues, notification alerts, tool tips, and light boxes that temporarily shifts. So here it comes under temporary visibility, attention focus, model interaction, content variety, responsive design, accessibility, user feedback. Coming to inlays, under it will be having integration with main content, inline presentation, contextual information, non-receptive, variety of content, responsive design, accessibility. Coming to virtual pages are user elements that simulates an experience of navigating between multiple pages of views within a single page application. And it comes under single page application, dynamic content loading, perceived navigation, URL routing, state management, animation and transition, performance consideration, accessibility. So coming to the process flow, where user get from A to B, you have to design out there and definitely what user gets to A to B. Don't click our pages, avoid making a dead end. Page A links to page B links to page C, page C. The user can keep clicking forever without leaving the site. So according to that, the users only go back road using motion for UX. If motion makes people wait, it's bad. Motion is noticed first. Straight line in points in a direction. So you will be having curved line make people follow the curve. What is design pattern? According to how it be a good design pattern, a solution must be a common and usable. Coming to the Z pattern, so which hopes will be creating a scan of a pattern, something like a Z starting the upper left and ending into the lower. Anything in the layout that it is not near to a Z probably won't be noticed. So a pattern, similar layout, similar scanning pattern, start in the upper left corner, like the Z pattern, read and scan the first head of the, scan down the left side of the column, read the interesting things more carefully, continue scanning. By repeating the method over and over, the scanning pattern starts to look like an E or an F, hence the name. So visual hierarchy, lookup patterns, search box, autocomplete, filter and faces. Tagging, alphabetical index, reason items or history, saved searches or bookmarks, advanced searcher. Thank you.